to save your favorite moments while watching any video on YouTube, like this one from Superman 2025. Here's an exciting moment where he saves the girl. To save this moment, simply replace the .com with h.ki and press enter. That will take you to Heartbeat, where you can see the same video. And if you come to that exciting moment, which is coming up right here, simply click the plus moment right there. I just created one moment where the dog is coming to save Superman. Now, where Superman saves the girl right here is a second moment. I just clicked plus moment, or I can press the H key on my keyboard as a hotkey. Here's another one, Luthor Corp. I just pressed H this time. That created a third moment. So let's go to the moment where he saves the girl. Let's nudge it backwards. You can see I'm going back 0.1 seconds to get the exact start frame where the scene changes to the girl being saved by Superman. So let's create a title for the moment. Superman saves the girl. Let's go to my first moment where the dog was saving Superman. Let's back up. We can use these nudge controls so we can get the exact frame of the moment that I want to save right there. And this is edit. This is Crypto the dog saves Superman. Save. And now when I click this moment or this moment, I now have it for all time. If I go back to Heartbeat and I click my heartbeat and then I go to my moments, here they are. Superman saves the girl and Crypto the dog saves Superman. That's it, guys. That's how you create moments using Heartbeat. Simply replace the .com with h.ki on any YouTube video. It also works on YouTube Music. Did you know you can go to music.youtube.com and listen to any music in the world? Let's look at mellow pop classics and Thinking Out Loud by Ed Sheeran. If I'm listening to this piece of music and I like a particular moment, let's play it. And let's skip ahead. Let's say I like this moment. How do I save it? I simply, again, replace the com with h.ki, press enter. Yes, I want to leave. This takes me to Heartbeat with the same music. Let's play it. And let's say that's one of my favorite moments. And let's continue playing. Let's say that is a second moment. And now, if I click moment 1, this is moment 2. That's how you can create your favorite musical moments on Heartbeat from any music on YouTube Music. This is the power of Heartbeat, guys. It saves you time because now you'll never lose your favorite moments, and you can share them with your friends and family simply by copying this link. You see this MOEDA? That's our hash for this moment too. Every time you click a different moment, you get a different hash. Share that link and it'll play that moment from that exact start time to anyone you share it with. Let's go back to the Superman moment that I created where Crypto saves the dog, or Crypto saves Superman. I can now write about this moment. Just click Write a Viki, and I can say, hey guys, I loved the new Superman movie. Here are some of my favorite scenes. Bump. I just pasted. Control V. I pasted the link, which I got from Heartbeat right here. Let's go back to my Heartbeat, moments, and the moment I was copying was Crypto the dog saves Superman. I simply copied this link, Control C, and I pasted it into a Viki, which is a video wiki. It's an invention that we created so you can combine moments with writing. Okay, this is where Superman saved by Crypto the dog. And let's get the second moment where we have Superman saves the girl. Copy that link, paste it here. Superman saves the girl. Now I'm going to give this a title, Superman 2025. moments. And that's it. Now I've created a Viki, and let's look at it. Here it is. Superman 2025 moments, where Superman's saved by Crypto and Superman saves the girl. 1, 2. That's how you use Heartbeat to create your favorite moments and publish them with the world so that everyone can benefit from your work. Heartbeat is a multi-format publishing platform. You can write, you can upload photos, you can create video moments, you can write riddles, you can write trivia. You'll be able to publish even contacts, like how do you get to that Coldplay concert? When is it playing? You'll be able to publish that. Let me show you. If you go to Heartbeat, h.ki, and click the first link, what is Heartbeat? You will learn all about what you can do on this awesome publishing platform.
George,
it's right here, guys. You can see the best of Heartbeat. You can see the 3 steps to never lose a favorite moment again. You can see the power of Heartbeat. Heartbeat EDU. Heartbeat pays you. In fact, we've been paying you for over 1 year. This is our 1 year of payments to you. All of this is under the About page. The link is down there in the description below, or you can just go to h.ki and click the first thumbnail. Click the second thumbnail for the best of Heartbeat. Click the third thumbnail for some sexy women. This is a fashion show from Berry Beach. Pretty cool. And there's a lot of great content on the platform which you can just explore by scrolling down. Under riddles, you can create your own riddles. For example, who is the Stealth King? If you don't know, you can ask for a hint. Show me the first letter. Is it an owl? Yes, it's an owl. Let's go to the next riddle. What is too much for 1, just enough for 2, and nothing for 3? Again, you can get the answer just by clicking show first letter. But you see this edit button? It's because I created this riddle. I published it for the world, so I can edit it. In the previous riddle, someone else created it, so there's no edit button for me. This is how you can publish riddles. Simply go to riddles and click plus new. When you click plus new, just write your riddle with the answer and then click save. You can also add it to a collection. Collections, if you go here, collections, you can see I have George's favorite riddles. What is gigs? This is one I've shown you before. Scrambled eggs. And many other riddles that I love that I think you should try. If I go to trivia in Heartbeat's sidebar, you can see more factual. This is like questions for the mind. Like, do you know what a baby kangaroo is called? It's actually called a joey. At birth, joeys are incredibly tiny and underdeveloped, weighing less than a gram. Did you know that? A baby kangaroo weighs less than a gram? Well, now you do. They immediately climb into their mother's pouch, where they continue to develop for several months. Amazing how nature works. Let's look at the second trivia. What is a baby whale called? Did you know it's called a calf? Yes, whale calves are born live and rely on their mothers for milk and care, as human babies do. And again, under collections, you can see George's favorite trivia, where you can see all of my favorite trivias that I think you should be able to answer. And if you don't, just click show first letter until you see the answer. So I hope you publish your own favorite trivia and riddles on Heartbeat. Explore the rest of Heartbeat. There's a lot here for you to see. And Vikis is where I just created my Superman 2025 moments, which I'm going to delete because it was just for show. It was just for this video. There's a lot of other great Vikis here that I encourage you to try and see if you like them. All right, guys. We now have over 4,000 creators on Heartbeat. Over 4,000 people like you have signed in to create content on Heartbeat. Here they all are under the creators page. You can follow your favorite hearters, which are Heartbeat creators. If you want to see the latest of what's happening on Heartbeat, just click the last 24 hours up here. That will show you the latest content, which was here. I just created this 10 minutes ago. Then a few hours ago, there was another moment. A few hours before that. These are all the latest moments created on Heartbeat. And if you click recent, these are all the latest approved moments. We verify, we review every moment, and the ones that we feel are excellent, high quality content go onto this page. Heartbeat is a curated platform. Heartbeat is for humans. Everything is available, but the content that we promote publicly needs to be verified because we want to make sure Heartbeat is for all ages, and the content has accurate start times with meaningful titles, not just random content. So I hope you agree. This is all high quality content that you can enjoy.
This is available often.
All right, guys. Until the next episode. Did you get your exercise? I got mine. I ran almost 6 kilometers today. I did 2 laps around the Golden Mile, and I feel great. Let me be your motivation. If you don't exercise, why not? Get off your butt and get some sweat. Also, if you like this content, click the subscribe button on YouTube and click the like button so I know what to make more of. I am George, the CEO and founder of Heartbeat. I'm also the father of 4 beautiful girls, so we have babies and business growing together. How many of you guys are parents and doing the same thing? I'd love to chat with you. On Heartbeat, we have a chat button right here. You simply find my Heartbeat and send me a message if you want to chat with me. How do you find my Heartbeat? Well, click creators. I'm the first guy right here. And you can chat with me on our platform. All right, guys, until the next episode, stay fit, stay safe. I am George, and you've been watching.
Ooh, you dreaming about love. Yeah.
Click that I to partner with Freedom and join the Freedom family so we can all grow together. You get many perks like position music. You also get Epidemic Sound, a lot of other access to royalty-free videos, sponsorships, and many things to help you grow. Just click the links down there in the description below to get involved in our community, our forums, our Discord chat servers, meet our graphics team, meet our community team, all of that on Discord and the forums. What are you waiting for? Get started. And we will grow together as a family because this is the Freedom family. You are part of it, we are all part of it, and we're all growing together. To get more George, click that big F. That will subscribe you to Freedom Central, home of The George Show. And PewDiePie gave one of you, Freedom Family, a big shout out. Click that video to see the shout out and to see our new 3D sets for you. And click that video to see what YouTube recommends you watch next.